to the channel. Imagine pulling up to a home that looks like it belongs in the countryside pages of an architectural magazine, yet it fits perfectly into the tiny house movement. Today we're touring a luxury modern tiny farmhouse that completely redefines what small living can look like. From the moment you see it, this home proves that size doesn't limit style, comfort, or sophistication. Stick around, because every corner of this tiny farmhouse reveals clever design choices that make it feel far larger than its footprint. At first glance, the exterior feels both classic and modern. Clean white siding, contrasting dark trim, and a beautifully pitched roof create that iconic farmhouse silhouette, but with a sleek contemporary twist. Large windows stretch across the facade, allowing natural light to flood inside while also making the house appear more expansive. But here's the real surprise: this tiny farmhouse doesn't just look elegant from the outside. The design choices you'll discover next elevate it to a completely different level. Before we even step inside, the front porch deserves a moment of appreciation. A small but thoughtfully designed porch with warm wooden accents creates the perfect place for morning coffee or sunset relaxation. Add a couple of rocking chairs, soft lighting, and perhaps a hanging plant, and suddenly this compact space becomes a cozy outdoor living room. It's the kind of detail that turns a house into a lifestyle, and it hints at the comfort waiting just beyond the front door. Step inside, and the first thing you notice is the incredible sense of openness. High ceilings and clever vertical design instantly make the living room feel much larger than expected. Large windows pull in daylight from multiple angles, creating a bright and welcoming environment. Minimalist furniture keeps the space uncluttered, while soft textures and natural wood tones add warmth. But the magic of this living area isn't just its beauty, it's how seamlessly it connects to the rest of the home. Now let's move into the kitchen, where farmhouse charm meets modern efficiency. This compact yet luxurious cooking space features sleek cabinetry, a farmhouse sink, and elegant countertops that look straight out of a high-end home magazine. Open shelving adds both storage and visual style, while smart appliances ensure every inch is functional. The kitchen proves that tiny homes don't mean sacrificing the joy of cooking. In fact, it might just inspire you to cook more. Right beside the kitchen is a dining area that feels intimate yet refined. A compact table, paired with stylish chairs or even a built-in bench, creates the perfect setting for meals without overwhelming the room. Soft pendant lighting above the table adds warmth and ambience, making this small space feel like a boutique cafe tucked inside your own home. And just when you think the layout couldn't get smarter, the design reveals even more clever features. One of the secrets behind this tiny farmhouse feeling so spacious is its brilliant storage solutions. Built-in cabinets, hidden compartments, and multifunctional furniture keep everything organized without cluttering the visual space. Stairs double as drawers, benches lift to reveal storage underneath, and vertical shelving utilizes the height of the home. These thoughtful design choices transform what could feel cramped into a home that feels efficient, elegant, and incredibly livable. Climb the staircase and you'll find a loft bedroom that feels like a private sanctuary. Despite being tucked into the upper level, the space remains bright thanks to skylights and large windows. Soft bedding, warm wood textures, and subtle lighting create a calm and relaxing atmosphere. It's the perfect place to unwind after a long day. And just when you think the comfort stops here, the home surprises us again with another beautifully designed space. The bathroom in this tiny farmhouse is proof that luxury can exist in even the smallest rooms. A modern walk-in shower, elegant fixtures, and carefully chosen tiles create a spa-like atmosphere that feels both refreshing and indulgent. Smart layout planning ensures every feature fits perfectly without feeling cramped. It's a reminder that thoughtful design can transform even the most functional spaces into something truly special. As we step back and look at the entire home, it's clear that this luxury modern tiny farmhouse isn't just a small house, it's a masterpiece of smart design and cozy elegance. From the charming exterior and welcoming porch to the bright living spaces, clever storage, and peaceful loft bedroom, every detail works together to create a home that feels far bigger than its size. It's proof that living small can still mean living beautifully, comfortably, and luxuriously. And honestly, would you ever guess this mansion-like experience fits inside a tiny home?